Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Missouri. So the first thing you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description of this video and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get right here on the site called Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help you set up your own LLC. And also what I always recommend is that you should actually focus on running the business. Don't focus on like all the administration stuff, accounting stuff, and also don't spend too much energy for creation for the company. You want to actually focus on managing the business, running it, because I know the state, they want us a lot of stuff to do, and if I would have to do it just by myself, it will take me a lot of time, like I don't know, 1 month, rather than I'm going to outsource it to someone else like Incfile that is going to help me with everything. So this is from start to finish how you can create your own LLC. Here I'm going to click start my business in Incfile. Then I'm going to press LLC, and now I'm going to find Missouri. Then you can have 3 options here: silver, gold, platinum. With the silver version, you're gonna have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. The price is perfect, right? But what I recommend is actually going with the gold version, only because not only you're gonna have the business tax consultation for the beginning, unlimited phone email support, but you're gonna have the business tax number. They're going to apply it for your IRS form, operating agreement, banking resolution, company alerts, online access dashboard. So all the important stuff you're going to actually have in the gold one. Yes, you can go with the platinum, and here you're going to have the 3 things, the bonus, as a business contract templates. So if you need, let's say, some terms of service, privacy policy, employee agreements, expedited filling. So expedited filling means that your LLC is going to be faster filled, and then you're going to have the domain name and business email here. Now when you got it, I'm going to click on the gold package because that's one that I recommend. And here I'm going to add a first name, last name, and email address, and also phone number. Okay. And now when you also got it, just add here street address. And state. Missouri. Now when you got it, you want to also add a zip code. And press next. In the next page, you can have the state filling time. So you can simply choose the 2 business days or 3 weeks. 2 business days are going to cost you $50, but later on the video, you will have option to choose a platinum version, platinum package, in which you would have everything for $150, and you don't have to choose the 2 business days right now because you can choose it later. So it's up to you if you're going to choose it now, and then don't choose a platinum version. Completely up to you. So I will click here on the 3 weeks, and I'll press next, and then LLC name. So this is the name of the company. Let's say Bakery with Jessica. You choose it, right? So LLC name is going to be For Me San We. Designator LLC. Number of members, I'm going with 1. Business purpose, and I'm going to, like, let's say marketing service for small business owners, and then industry keyword for my type of business going to be marketing consulting services. Now when I got it, you can easily choose the company address information here, and here you can go with the professional business address and virtual mail service, or you can use your own. With the professional business address is really great when you're going to maintain privacy by using a commercial address, and they can actually find you. So you choose that. And if you're going to choose your own address, then you're going to have option to choose like right here the address. And then when you got it, when you made the decision, just click next. Then you see the options to have it the premium service. So you can go with the expedited filling service, business contract templates, domain name, business email address. So here you're going to have option to like upgrade the package. and let's see the 25 high quality legal documents, and this is something you can do. And you can find these like employment agreement, terms of service, sales agreement, privacy policy, all of that. And now you can simply click get upgrade and bonus, or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you're gonna have the members. So if you're representing a company, you will choose a company here, but if you're a lone individual, you just add here again the name and the address and 100% of ownership. So just press next again, and then you see right here. So you see that you can assign registered agent information, and you can assign Incfile that are going to cover it for you. This is something that I definitely recommend for you to do. Then don't do it by yourself, outsource it. You can read about typical documents, you can read about what is registered agent. But I would definitely recommend to do it like someone is going to do it for you, so you don't have to care about it. Press next again. Then you can have the tax identification number information. That's a name and SSN number. Like this is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your AIN from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain. And now when you got it, just add a physical street address here and then press next. When you got it again, here you have an option to choose that a Bank of America small business specialist will contact you to start or to set up your own business banking account. If you want, you can have it. If you know, just know you can read about it right here. And then we go further to next. And then you can have the free consultation by Incfile. So the small consultation is really great because here you can learn how your LLC is taxed, also how to reduce self-employment taxes, and all the important stuff. So I will click yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation completely for free. Then I will press next again. And then you're gonna see that we identify 2 licenses for your consulting business in Missouri. And here you're gonna head and find that you can yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. And that's something you can do, or you can do the work by yourself. I recommend again that you can simply choose the yes, identify all licenses, and then when you got it, here you're gonna find a review order for your company and all the important stuff, and then press next again, like the review. And the last step is billing information. So after clicking on billing information, you have to add a card number and everything, and then you're good to go and you're going to get covered. So this is pretty much how you can do it, and this is how you can start your own company in Missouri. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, see ya and goodbye.